What actually happens when you crack your knuckles? Well, thankfully it's not your bones actually cracking, or even rubbing together. It's actually because of bubbles. Inside each and every one of your joints, there's a little pocket filled with something called synovial fluid, which acts somewhat like a lubricant for joint mobility. When you pull your fingers apart or bend them, that pocket is allowed to expand, which rapidly drops the pressure within the joint. This sudden drop in pressure can force dissolved gases out of the fluid, causing a gas bubble to form, which will eventually collapse and create a distinct popping sound. This is a process called cavitation, and it's actually the same reason that ship propellers degrade over prolonged usage, where rapid collapse of vapor bubbles shocks and erodes the metal surfaces of propeller mechanisms.